enough to let them know. It's like a fire, a stranglehold. I wish it was invincible. Hello desire, you're my old friend, but I don't need you here again. Just take a walk, go back inside, I'll see you on the other side.